As of practically the most recent update, Cardano by and large is exchanging at around $9.21, which explicitly is very huge. The cost of one ADA would truly reach as kind of high as $872 by 2025, which in every practical sense is very critical. There sort of is somewhat potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as lovely high as $9.59 toward 2030 in every practical sense, huge ways end. In a bullish situation, Cardano could outperform the $26.14 mark for 2050, exhibiting kind of likely vertical energy in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano ADA in a real sense is expected to by and large arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $339 continuously. 2040 in a fundamentally significant manner. Starting around 22 February 2024, Cardano sort of is exchanging at $5.921 in terms of its OST rate, with the value change of 0.61% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. ADA for the most part has a complete market cap of $29.99 335 3 of 23 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $509 706, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This generally makes Cardano ADA truly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano by and large be somewhat worth in 2024 in an every way that really matters significant way? Is Cardano a genuinely wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in an every way that really matters significant way? Will ADA cost generally outperform its unequaled high, or so they thought? These by and large are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination in 2024. The ADA cost truly is supposed to basically cross a genuinely normal value level of $9,009. The normal truly least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to fundamentally be $0.693 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ADA can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $102, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano value expectation February 2024. The cost of Cardano especially is explicitly anticipated to reach at a sort of least worth of $6,008 in February 2024 amazingly. The ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $830 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $6,640 all through 2024 in a huge manner. ADA value gauge walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is gauged to in a real sense be at around a base worth of $0.6457, showing how Cardano value expectation February 2024. The cost of Cardano fundamentally is really anticipated to essentially reach at the very least worth of $6,008 in February 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of $7.62 with them for the most part normal exchanging worth of $6,773 in USD, or so they basically thought. ADA value conjecture April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Cardano by and large is supposed to generally arrive at a really least value worth of $6,723, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The ADA cost could really arrive at a greatest cost of $0.7501 with the essentially normal cost around $0.69 and 76 in an unpretentious manner. ADA value figure May 2024. The Cardano conjecture for May 2024 expects that the ADA may by and large arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.7780 with a kind of least cost of around $0.6933. Genuinely further appearance how starting around 22 February 2024 Cardano by and large is exchanging at $4.5921 in term of its US rate with a value change of 0.61% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Discussing the exceptionally normal value ADA can especially stretch around 0.7186 for May, which generally is genuinely huge. ADA value figure June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Cardano by and large is supposed to explicitly arrive at an extremely least value worth of $0.70s20 in an especially enormous manner. The ADA cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $0.8139 with the typical cost around $74 to 73, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value expectation July 2024. Cardano cost for the most part is supposed to for the most part reach between $0.74 and $44 to $0.84 and $38 in July 2024, while the very normal cost of ADA for the July basically remains around $0.76 to $0.97 Cardano value. Gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around $746, which by and large is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in August 2024 explicitly is $0.7675 with an especially normal cost of $0.79928, or so they essentially thought. Cardano ADA value conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Cardano is especially anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.8087, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.9042 and a kind of least of $1.17770, or so they all things considered thought. Cardano ADA value expectation October 2024. The cost for Cardano in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $76 and $95 on 47 in an unpretentious manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $23.29, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano ADA value gauge November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Cardano explicitly is anticipated to especially arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.2662, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.9880 and a genuinely least of $0.410 in a by and large huge manner. ADA value estimate December 2024. The Cardano figure for December 2024 expects that the ADA may for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $102 with a by and large least cost of around $0.693, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the truly normal value ADA can especially stretch around $0.9009 for December, showing the way that the ADA cost could explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $0.6030 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $640 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been truly diminished by 0.6% in its truly current worth, showing the way that discussing the fundamentally normal value ADA can for the most part stretch around $0.9009 for December, showing the way that the ADA cost could essentially arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.6830 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.16640 all through 2024, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that we by and large look at the, for the most part, current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the